Machine model 6100 slant with live tool. 25 mm boring bar TNMG 0.8. RPM 1500. Feed 0.18 mm. .25 mm boring bar TNMG 0.8. RPM 1500. Feed 0.15 mm. .25 mm threading boring bar. RPM 1200. M8 by 1.25. Slitting cutter. RPM 1500. Feed 200 mm per minute. First setup cycle time only 69 seconds. 2 mm parting tool. RPM 1500. Feed 0.1 mm. Second setup. Machine model 640LM with live tool. 20 by 20 side tool TNMG 0.8. RPM 2500. Feed 0.15 mm. 10 mm end mill cutter with live tool. RPM 2000. Feed 250 mm per minute. Second setup cycle time only 49 seconds.